Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are in Skagway, Alaska. Me and my friends are going to see a small waterfall which is next to a nearby river. It's my first time taking the bike from the ship. And it's so much fun riding by the mountains here. So with me are my friends. This is Sarfaraz and the other one is James.
Tell me about your experience. Just one word.
As you can see how beautiful the view is. So we are riding beside the river now and it's just a few more minutes from here. We took some pictures and videos here. So the place we are going is called as Skagway Cemetery. All these beautiful places reminds me of the places I see in movies. So guys, we have reached the Skagway Cemetery. Let's explore the place inside. Wow, it's so relaxing here to ride. We have chairs here to sit. To be honest, it looks like a park, then a cemetery. You can see the beautiful lake from here. So right now we are inside the cemetery. You can see it's full of trees, long trees. We are going inside near the waterfall. It's getting more and more colder. So this is the waterfall I was talking about. You can hear the noise. My god, this flowing water is so cold. So it was time for us to go back on the ship. It was so fun riding back with this amazing view of the snowy mountains. We had some yummy lunch before going back to the ship. So that was it for today. See you in my next vlog.